Be prepared for unexpected messes with the BISSELL SpotClean, Australia's best-selling portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. Tackle spots and spills as soon as they happen on your carpets, rugs, fabric upholstery, and auto interiors. The SpotClean 36984 comes with 3 specialised tools for washing and extracting stubborn dirt and stains: the 3-inch tough stain tool, the 6-inch brush, and the Hydro-Rinse self-cleaning tool for flushing the hose and machine clean after use. To use the SpotClean, simply fill the clean tank with warm tap water and no more than 30 ml of BISSELL SpotClean compatible formula. Add OxyBoost when cleaning old stains or light-coloured fabrics. To begin cleaning, first pre-treat the area with one of BISSELL's pre-treatment sprays and leave for 15 minutes. Then simply turn the machine on to start the suction and press the trigger in the handle to spray the water and solution mix. Use the brush to scrub, followed by the suction to extract the dirt and excess moisture into the dirty water tank. Ensure you're angling the attachment correctly so the suction bar is in direct contact with the surface to maximise extraction. Repeat your strokes without pressing the trigger to extract as much moisture as possible. Leave the area to air dry naturally for a few hours and repeat as needed. The machine will automatically shut off the suction when the dirt tank is full. Detach the dirt tank and dispose of the dirty water. Use the Hydro-Rinse tool to flush the machine clean after use. The BISSELL SpotClean portable carpet and upholstery washer comes with a 2-year warranty and can be found at leading retailers and bissell.com.au and bissell.co.nz.